Hello, and thank you for clicking on my video. If you like the content I'm creating, please like and subscribe. It really helps me a lot. Um, so let's get started with today's question. Let me make this screen a little bigger so you can see it better. So today's DevOps SRE interview question is: imagine a scenario where your development team or some members of the team needs access to production database for some reason. Maybe they have to do a data fix, maybe they have read access, maybe they will do data analysis or what have you, right? So that's the general scenario. How do you give developers access to production database? That's the question. If you want to think about the answer for a second, pause the video and I will give you an answer in just a bit. Okay, so now, first of all, you have to ask the question, what kind of access do they need? If it's just read only, or is it, do they also have to make a change in production, which is kind of scary. So in general, you do not want developers have any kind of write access to the production database because people make mistakes all the time. It's natural, happens all the time. So if all they want is some kind of read access to the database, you can make a copy elsewhere, maybe a live copy, maybe a replication, read-only copy that they can access and read the data there. So that way your production data is remains secure. If they need actual write access, let's say they need to do a data fix, or let's they want to change a schema, or maybe change some data for whatever reason, right? So the best way to do that is to write in a workflow, maybe a GitHub action or a Jenkins job or something that gives them the ability to do only what they need to do and nothing more. And the authentication happens through some kind of Google secrets or AWS secrets. That way, they don't have direct access to the production database. They only get to it through this pipeline, right? The other not so great option is to give them temporary access through a jump box. So they hop onto the jump box. That jump box has access to the database. They do their thing. They're done. You remove their access and they go home. So they don't have access like this forever through a jump host. So there's some of the ways you can do that. There are other ways, but generally speaking, you need to scope out what the need is, and based on that, give them indirect access as much as possible. I hope you found this useful, and I will see you in the next video.